Hey everyone, welcome back. It's a little windy today. If you listen hard, you can hear live music playing. That's because I am at the heart of San Francisco, where the summer of love began, and I'm at the Haight Street Fair today. And this should be really cool. I've never been here. There's a lot of live music, a lot of things going on, so let's go check it out and see what we can discover today at the Haight Street Fair in San Francisco 2024. All right, let's go. All right, we got a live band here rocking out. Digging the drummer's energy there.
Inside Voices, my name is Jack. Bass we have Eric, on drums we have Kenneth. Our Instagram is The Real Inside Voices. We have an album coming out soon.
The Real Inside Voices.
You can watch it on our YouTube.
That is a cute dog.
There's no smoking on the Haight Street Fair premises. Drink responsibly.
No smoking ganja, people.
Also want to thank some.
Jerry Garcia, Jim Morrison, Hendrix, Prince. Those are cool. Look at the guitars. This guy does everything. I think this is the same guy. He's got a random boat. These are pretty interesting. All hand done. They're all one of a kind work. Very cool. Where are all the hippies? Where are all the hippies? Check these out. These are awesome. There's a nomad there. He's got a big, some kind of big pipe horn. Hey buddy. Hey, how are you? Nice doggy. Got some cool shirts there. Dress, I like that dress. Very nice. Some nice jewelry. Look at that outfit. It's wild. Love me some flavor. I hear a familiar sound over here. Sounds like a female singer doing Jim Morrison. Another band here. Playing old 60s stuff. Pick with the priest.
You know, they make tie-dye duct tape, so our frame is tie-dye.
I got a little skateboard demo here too. This is one of those clothing rack places, which are pretty awesome on the Haight. Love this lady's dress there. Please stay on the trail. Look at all these cool patches. Led Zeppelin. Reminds me of being a kid.
Hey, we are kids.
You're correct. I never want to grow up.
Yeah, I like the expression, I'm 64 years young.
That's a good one.
I like 64 with the Beatles, you know. Will you feel me? Will you feel me?
You got Scooby-Doo even, wow.
Yeah, and a mystery machine. Band. All right.
I didn't notice the cookies here. They're cookies that'll make you feel good. It should be brownies, all right? Love the patches. Check out the crab garlic flies. I've never heard of those. I bet those are pretty damn good. Never heard of crab fries. Those are your crab fries. Man, that looks really good. You might have to get some of those. Check that out. Wow, look at that. Those are some fancy jackets there. Look at Grow Group. And where is he from? Yeah.
Oh, that's from Ice Age. Yeah.
Those are great. That's awesome. Wow. Handmade leather. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how you doing? Good to see you.
Give you both hugs. Hi.
Cool.
See you. Great wings.
Thank you. I just thought, why not dress up?
Yay.
Yeah.
Something too hot for one.
Wow, these are beautiful pieces. Very nice stuff.
What is it?
We got Hendrix looking over us at the red house. There's a red house over yonder. Cool designs. This one's cool too. Sprinkle. Who? Showing his Oakland. That one's cool. Lake Merritt, that's a cool one. This wouldn't be the Haight Street Fair without a tie-dye booth.
I like tie-dye. Tie-dye fascinates me.
Yeah, look at that. Great. And this?
Yeah, I mean, holy shit.
Some good stuff. All these people brought out their merchandise to the street. It's a great idea. More patches over here. Grateful Dead, Sublime, Jim Morrison, Janis Joplin, and mushrooms. We got a tarot card reading here. Donations. Welcome. I like the booth he's got set up here.
Was where I looked around the table and wished that this moment could last forever, lasted for hours and took days to prepare. Will open my mind and my heart, prompting them to both restart. We are about to give a voice to those who have never been heard. We are breath and bone and blood. We are all just people craving something that may not exist. The hopes of now built on the memories of yesterday, shaping the dreams of tomorrow. We, as humans, envision a world that only thrives
And then she needs money for her cyber truck. I like that. Relic Vintage sidewalk sale. These are cool. It's good designs. The cat and the bunny up there playing guitar. Creative. Feral City Designs. Huh. I like the frog too. Look at those shirts, those are cool. And the pants. Hey, and they got X-rated candles, I guess?
Candles.
Everybody needs a penis candle. It's the famous leg house. This guy's got fire roasted pizza there. He's got his own pizza oven, wood fired pizza. I've never seen that. That's pretty cool.
You want that? Flash you our best.
Got this magician over here walking. And these guys coming up, I think, are like a young kid band called themselves Swami Free. We just had lunch here at the Slice House. If you're ever in Haight and you want some amazing pizza, definitely check this place out. Starting to get lively now. Those garlic fries I filmed earlier are getting popular, especially when they add crab to them. The fair is hopping and happening now. I like all the Niners hats. I'm a big Niner fan. They're playing the Vikings today. I have no idea the score. I'm gonna watch it when I get home. That's why I didn't wear my Niner gear. If you wear your football team's gear while you're recording a game, bad idea. Because someone will ruin the score for you or tell you something that happened in the game.
Social validation.
Yes. Is it burning?
There's a bulldog.
Oh, that's okay.
Wow, it's crowded here now. We got bubbles in the air, bubbles in the air. Rolling Stone shirt. Priest with a pick. Down this alley is the small stage. It's the bounce house land. Now they're doing mega bubbles. Let's check out the mega bubble situation here. That's pretty awesome. some of these big bubbles. The wind's so strong, they come right at you. Look at that one. That one's awesome. Wow, those are awesome. The cops and the hippies harmoniously getting along. Nice. Bubble Central. Naked guy alert. Shrooms. Get your shrooms here. Tripod belt. Well, did you guys enjoy that as much as I did? Wow. There was a lot to see, a lot of positive energy roaming around, a lot of tie-dye. I like the punk rock band that we just saw. And beautiful day in Haight, a little windy, but not super hot. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button. And I will see you on my next video. Peace.